So the great thing about Pro Sheets is that it's not this point in time knowledge. As I work on things, I can continually go back, watch the course, listen to things, and refer to my notes. So it's going to help me not just when I took the course, but ongoing. My name's Adam Derrick. I'm the IT manager for the town of Edgartown out on the island of Martha's Vineyard off the coast of Massachusetts. As the IT manager for the town, I kind of hit every department. There's a COVID contact tracing project that people were working on. I worked with that team to create Google Forms for the interview process, positive cases and contacts, just general statistics for our community. Doing it on a single spreadsheet worked great until the numbers made it not work great. Once it ballooned up to a couple thousand rows, they just needed a better solution. I knew how to do it before, but I wasn't really doing it all right. One of the things that I took most out of the course that helped me was just overall project organization. I wasn't doing any of that. I'd go back to the sheets and I'd say, oh my God, what did I do here? How does this work? Why does this work? So I was surprised at how many different things I picked up in the course. And just being able to be in that course live and say, hey Ben, I'm trying to do this. I'm doing it this way. What do you think? How should I approach this? Or he would just be explaining things, and that would open up my eyes up to other things that I could do that I didn't even know that I could do. With the recorded courses, I just have a tough time actually allocating that time to doing them. And I've tried that before. A live course was much more effective for me. I would say anyone considering taking the course, just take notes on the stuff that you don't quite get or stuff that you would love to know with Google Sheets or Google Apps or Forms. And if you go into a course where you have these incredible resources there, if you go in with a list, you're going to get everything answered. One of my favorite things about any sort of Google Sheets project that I work on is when I do it and then I forget about it. And then I catch up with those people months later or a year later or 2 years later, and they're still using it. And I'm like, oh my God, this still works great. All of a sudden, people can see all this live data. They flip out. It's like magic to them.